Good morning, children. How are you? I'm Naveen sir, your maths teacher of Kakatiya Public School. Yesterday we discussed about symmetry. Today we will discuss about rotational symmetry. Symmetry. Symmetry is two types. Symmetry is about a line and symmetry is about a point. Symmetry is about line is called line symmetry and symmetry is about point is called rotational symmetry. Now let us discuss about the rotational symmetry. The definition of rotational symmetry: if we rotate a figure about a point, about a fixed point by certain angle to get its original, then the figure gets its original shape before as same, then the figure has a rotational symmetry. A figure we rotated. A figure is rotated about a fixed point by certain angle. When the figure gets its original shape before as same, then the figure has a rotational symmetry. All figures have rotational symmetry. If we rotate completely 360 degrees, it is called order of rotation 1. So all figures have a rotational symmetry. If the figure is rotated completely 360 degrees, then it is called as order of rotation 1. Order of rotation 1. Now, next, angle of rotation symmetry. Angle of rotational symmetry. So, the definition of angle of rotational symmetry: the figure is rotated minimum angle by one minimum angle. The figure is rotated by using minimum angle to get its exactly original shape, then it is called as a angle of rotational symmetry. So we will rotate the figure through the minimum angle. Minimum angle is called angle of rotational symmetry. Next, order of rotational symmetry. Order of rotational symmetry. Order is nothing but number of times the figure is rotated by angle rotational symmetry. So the figure is rotated number of times by using angle rotational symmetry before to get exactly the original shape is called order rotational symmetry. The definition of order rotational symmetry is number of times the figure is rotated by angle of rotational symmetry, by using angle of rotational symmetry to get its original shape same as before. Original shape, original position is called order of rotational symmetry. So let us do an activity by using this rotational symmetry, angle of rotational symmetry and order of rotational symmetry. Now let us discuss about the rotational symmetry. by activity. So look at here. We should cut out some geometrical objects by using different color charts. So these are the geometrical objects: isosceles triangle, square, rectangle, equilateral triangle, parallelogram. Now for this geometrical shape, we have to find out the angle of rotation and order of rotation of rotational symmetry. So cut out a isosceles triangle by using a color chart, and we should paste on printout of full protractor of 360 degrees on cardboard sheet or thickness of a paper. Here, by using transparent sheet, we have to draw the same isosceles triangle, and we have to hold the transparent sheet on the chart of full protractor by using pin. Now let us find it has a rotational symmetry or not. Yes, the isosceles triangle has a rotational symmetry. Every figure has a rotational symmetry. Some figures have a order of rotation 1. Some figures have a more than order of rotation of 1. So now look at here. This is an isosceles triangle. So here the starting point is started from degree 0 degrees. So here we can rotate this triangle in anti-clockwise direction and clockwise direction. Both directions we can rotate. So I am rotating this isosceles triangle in anti-clock direction. See, like this I am rotating. So when it comes to its original position, after rotating 360 degrees, it's come its original position. So the angle of rotation of the isosceles triangle is 360 degrees, and order of rotation is 1. So that isosceles triangle will rotate in anti-clock direction. It has rotational symmetry when, see, I am rotating this in such way. Yes, this position it came to as an original shape after rotating 360 degrees. This is called order of rotation 1. So the isosceles triangle has an angle of rotation is 360 degrees and order of rotation is 1. Next, square. Look at here, this is a square. So now rotate the square from initial position is this is initial position at 0 degrees. So now rotate the square in anti-clock direction like this. Yes, what do we notice here? We will notice at 90 degrees the square coincides with itself. Then the angle of rotation of square is how much? 90 degrees. The angle of rotation of a square is 90 degrees. Now let us find out the order of rotation of square. So this is 0 to 90 degrees order of rotation. The square is coincide with itself. Now further rotation, in further rotation at 180 degrees, again the square coincide with itself. This is here order of rotation 1, here order of rotation 2. Again go for further rotation. Yes, At 270 degrees, again the square coincide with itself. Then order of rotation is 3. Again rotate for further rotation. Yes, at 360 degrees it came its original position. This is order of rotation 4. Then the square has an order of rotation 4. So here the square we rotated as an anti-clock direction at 90 degrees. The square is coincide with itself. At 180 degrees it coincide with itself. At 270 degrees it coincide with itself, and at 360 degrees also it comes to its original position. Then the square has a angle of rotation is 90 degrees and order of rotation is 4. Next, rectangle. Look at the rectangle. Yes, this rectangle also we have to rotate. We can rotate in clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. So here I am rotating this anti-clockwise direction. Here the initial position at 0. Now rotate this rectangle in anti-clockwise direction. Yes, here at 180 degrees the rectangle comes to original position. So the angle of rotation of rectangle is 180 degrees. So the angle of rotation of rectangle is 180 degrees, and we have to find out the order of rotations of rectangle. So from initial position 0 degrees to 180 degrees, it is order of rotation 1, and from again go for further rotation. Yes, the rectangle came to 360 degrees after total rotation. Here at 180 degrees, order of rotation 1. From 180 to 360, order of rotation 2. Then the rectangle has an order of rotation 2. So this is about rectangle. Angle of rotation is 180 degrees and order of rotation is 2. Next, equilateral triangle. So look at here. This is an equilateral triangle. So now the equilateral triangle I am rotating in anti-clockwise direction. So this is a 0 degrees at the initial position. So now we are rotating like this. Yes, the initial position at 120 degrees, the equilateral triangle gets its to same original shape. Then the equilateral triangle is angle of rotation is 120 degrees. And go for further rotation. If we rotate like this, yes, at 240 degrees also the equilateral triangle coincide with itself. And let us rotate for further rotation. Yes, at 360 degrees also the equilateral triangle is coincide with itself. So here how many order of rotations have equilateral triangle? 3. At 120 degrees order of rotation 1. At 240 degrees order of rotation 2, and at 360 degrees order of rotation 3. So the equilateral triangle has an order of rotation 3. So look at here, I am rotating in anti-clockwise direction like this. Yes, at 120 degrees it coincides with itself, order of rotation 1, and go for further rotation. At 240 degrees, the equilateral triangle coincides with itself. Then order of rotation is 2, and go for further rotation. At 360 degrees, the equilateral triangle coincide with itself, then order of rotation is 3. So the equilateral triangle has a angle of rotation is 120 degrees and order of rotation is 3. Next, parallelogram. So look at here, this is the parallelogram. Go for rotation. So I am rotating the parallelogram in anti-clock direction. So this is a 0 degrees initial position. Let us rotate the parallelogram. So where the parallelogram, at which angle the parallelogram coincides with itself? At 180 degrees. At 180 degrees it coincides with itself. Then the angle of rotation of parallelogram is 180 degrees. 180 degrees is the angle of rotation of a parallelogram. Let us identify about the order of rotations of parallelogram. Now here from 0 degrees to 180 degrees the parallelogram coincides with itself, then it is order of rotation 1, and go for further rotation. Yes, at 360 degrees again the parallelogram coincides with itself, then this is order of rotation 2, then the parallelogram has a order of rotation has a 2. So here this is a parallelogram. We should rotate the parallelogram in anti-clock direction. Let us rotate like this. I am rotating this parallelogram where it is coincide with itself at 180 degrees, and again where it is coincide with at 360 degrees. So how many times it is coincide with itself? 2 times. Then order of rotation is 2. At which angle it is it coincide with itself? At 180 degrees. Then its angle of rotation is 180 degrees. So this is about the rotational symmetry of geometrical figures, different types of angle rotation of symmetry and different types of order of rotational symmetry. Homework problems on symmetry. First one, define rotational symmetry with examples. And second one, define angle of rotational symmetry with examples. And third one, define order of rotational symmetry with examples. Sure. So you should define write the definitions of rotational symmetry, angle of rotational symmetry, and order of rotational symmetry, and as well as you should write the examples also. Thank you.